Hello friends, I am Dr. Kuldeep Mohodikar, Associate Professor from the Department of English, Mahatma Phule College, Varud. I am going to present story, the simple version of story, Open Window by Saki. Let's have introduction of Saki. Saki is a pen name of British writer Hector Hugh Munro. H.H. Munro, he is popularly known as. He was born in Burma when it was under the British Empire. After his education, Munro joined the Burma police. 2 years later, he resigned due to ill health and returned to England as a journalist. He died in France fighting in the First World War. Saki's works include Reginald, the Chronicles of Clovis, and Beast and Super Beast. Saki blends comedy and savagery. Savagery means cruelty, barbarity, and extreme cruelty and inhuman depiction is there in his stories. They are also loved for their surprise ending, surprise twist. So mostly his stories are popular for this twist, surprise twist. Satirizing the Edwardian social scene in a macabre and cruel way. Macabre means sickly and shocking and interest-inspiring horror is depicted in his story. The Open Window tells the story of Frampton Nuttall and his visit to the country. He has a history of bad nerves and is forced by his sister to call upon her friends in the country. On one such visit, Nuttall comes across a most interesting 15-year-old girl, Vera, with a talent for storytelling. I mean, she is always having this interest in making a story. So let's begin. I am going to read out the short and simplified and very easy version of story so that you can understand it very easily. The theme, the plot of the story. So please try to listen and also concentrate on the lines of the text. Saki was having knack, or he was famous or specialized for blending comedy and wildness in his story. His stories were full of adventures, full of wildness, and he was having this habit of mixing both comedy and wildness in his stories. His stories are also popular because of their surprise endings, as already I have told you in the introduction. Means his stories are famous for surprise twist. The present story is an account of one such visit when Mr. Nuttall comes across a most interesting story narrated to him by a 15-year-old girl, Vera, who she has a talent for storytelling, as already I have mentioned in the introduction. The Open Window brilliantly portrays how one's nerves affects his personality. As Frampton goes on a trip with an intention to cure his nerve, he is suffering from mental and psychological bad condition. He finds himself in an unfamiliar situation that ultimately has negative effect on his already nervous personality. Frampton Nuttall suffers from nervous condition and has come to spend some time alone and isolated in this countryside. He comes to this countryside to cure his nerves. Means he wanted to improve his condition, mental and psychological both. His sister, thinking that he not knowing anyone there will be depressed, which could make his nerve problem worse. Means if he doesn't know anything, he will become anxious and his problem will increase. So she gave him letters of introduction to all the people she knew there. Nuttall did not think much of such visits, but still decided to visit a lady about whom he knew nothing except her name and address. His first visit is to the Sappleton house, where he meets 15-year-old Vera, the niece of Mrs. Sappleton. Vera keeps Nuttall company while he waits for Mrs. Sappleton. Upon hearing that Nuttall has not met the Sappletons, Vera tells the story about the family. Vera says that 3 years ago, till that day, means on the day when Frampton Nuttall visits that house, Mrs. Sappleton's husband and two younger brothers went on a hunting trip and never returned back. Vera gives details about the clothes they were wearing, the dog that accompanied them, that is Spaniel, is mentioned in the story, and the song that Mrs. Sappleton's brother sang upon their return. Vera says that her grief affected aunt, that grief affected aunt, and she watches out the open window, expecting her husband and his two younger brothers return from the same window. Therefore, that window is opened on that day, particular day. When Mrs. Sappleton enters, she tells Nuttall that she expects her husband and brothers to return at any moment. Means this mention of Mrs. Sappleton that her husband and brothers are returning at any moment confirms the story told by Vera. The Nuttall is confirmed now. Nuttall listens, thinking that Mrs. Sappleton has in fact gone crazy. Suddenly, Mrs. Sappleton brightens as she tells Nuttall that they have returned, means her husband and his two younger brothers have returned. Nuttall turns only to see the dead hunters, means he thinks that they are dead people, they are ghosts. He becomes frightened and leaves in a rush. Nuttall looked at the niece, who had a look of horror in her eyes. Nuttall turned to look out of the window. He saw three men walking towards the window with guns under their arms, as explained by Vera. One of them also carrying a white coat. A tired brown spaniel was with them, as again explained by Vera, when they were near the house and one of them sang. Nuttall wildly grabbed the stick and hat and ran out of the house as if he had seen ghosts. He collides with the cyclist, and cyclist saves himself and falls into the ditch. The men came into the house and asked who had ran out of the house. Means the man was very afraid, very frightened. Mrs. Sappleton found Nuttall to be extraordinary. She told her husband and brothers how he had talked only about his illness and ran without a word of goodbye or apology. Here the niece, as was her habit to create stories, calmly said that he ran out because of Spaniel. And now Vera starts making her own story, that what Frampton has told her, that he ran out because of Spaniel as he had a horror of dogs. He was once hunted into a cemetery somewhere on the banks of the Ganges River by a pack of dogs. He spent the night in a newly dug grave with the dogs snarling and grinning above him. So she, in the beginning, she makes a story when she comes to know that Frampton doesn't know anything about the family, and now she again makes a story that how Frampton is afraid of dogs and therefore ran away, because she knows now that they don't know anything about Frampton, and Frampton has already told her about his fear about dogs. At the end of the story, readers realize that Vera tricked Mr. Nuttall. This is exposed with the last line of the story. Romance at short notice was her speciality, means Vera's speciality. She was always interested to tell stories of adventures, and she was very instant in telling stories, creating stories. She was having this speciality, she was having this talent of instantly creating stories, means Vera was having this talent. And I hope you have enjoyed the narration and you also concentrate on the lines, so that you can again understand it very clearly. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks once again.